Let's explore different types of weather in English and learn how to talk about them like a native. Snowy. It's snowy and perfect for making a snowman. Snowy roads can be very slippery. Rainy. It is rainy and we need an umbrella. I love reading books on rainy afternoons. Hot. It is hot in the summer here. Don't forget to drink water on hot days. For more tips, subscribe our channel. Sunny. The weather is sunny today. We love going to the park on sunny days. Partly cloudy. Tomorrow will be partly cloudy with mild temperatures. The sky looks partly cloudy, but it's still warm. Cloudy. It's cloudy, and I think it might rain. Cloudy days make me feel sleepy. Showers. There will be showers in the afternoon. We got caught in heavy showers while walking home. Stormy. The weather is stormy and dangerous. We stayed indoors during the stormy night. Cold. The weather is cold in the morning. I wore a jacket because it was cold outside. Windy. It's windy, so hold on to your hat. Windy weather makes it hard to ride a bike. For more tips, subscribe our channel. Foggy. It's foggy and hard to see the road. The city looks mysterious on foggy mornings. Hurricane. A hurricane can cause a lot of damage. Thunderstorm. We heard a loud thunderstorm last night. Thunderstorms can be scary for children. Rainbow. A rainbow appeared after the rain. We took photos of the rainbow in the sky.